Hi road trippers, Travel Towner here, and today we are in the heart of South Orlando, where we will be taking a short road trip on Americana Boulevard. We'll start on South Orange Blossom Trail and travel Americana all the way to where it ends at South John Young Parkway. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. And if you love what you see, please consider liking, commenting, and sharing these videos with your friends. And if you really like these videos, the best thing you can do is subscribe to this channel so you can see whenever I put more videos out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the road.